Now we come to question number 5. A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. This is the inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter. Its height is 8 centimeter and radius of its top is 5 centimeter. Which is open. It is filled with water up to brim and water is filled in this conical portion. It is filled with water up to brim. When lead shots, each of which is sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter. Now we have a lead shots. See, here is a lead shot. The radius of which is 0.5 centimeter. Are dropped into the vessel. These lead shots are dropped into the vessel, that is conical vessel. 1/4 of water flows out. Then because it was filled with water, then 1/4 of the volume of this water spreads out. Find number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. Now we have to find the number of lead shots that are dropped into the vessel. For that we will find the volume of the cone. That will give us the capacity of the cone, the capacity of the cone. So we will get the volume of water that can be filled into the cone. Now radius of top R is equal to 5 centimeter. Height is 8 centimeter. Volume of cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. We put the values and we get the volume 200/3 pi cubic centimeter. That is the volume of the cone. This much water can be filled in this cone. Now for spherical lead, radius is 0.5 centimeter. Then the volume of sphere is given by 4/3 pi r cube. Then it comes out to be, after solving, it comes out to be pi/6 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of one lead shot. Suppose there are n lead shots, n number of lead shots that are filled into the conical tank. Then the volume of those n lead shots will be n multiplied by pi/6 cubic centimeter. Now the water that is spread out will be equal to the volume of n lead shots. The water that spreads out from the cone is given to be 1/4 of the volume of the cone. Therefore, we find the volume of water that flows out is 1/4 of volume of cone. Then we have found 1/4 of volume of cone was 200/3 pi. We have put the value of volume of cone, and after solving this we get 50 pi/3 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of water that flows out. Now we know that the volume of all lead shots will be equal to the volume of the water that spreads out. Therefore we put n pi/6 is equal to 50 pi/3. This n pi/6 was the volume of the n lead shots. Pi/6 is the volume of one lead shot. Then n pi/6 is the volume of n lead shots. The n pi/6 is equal to 50 pi/3. From here we get n is equal to 100. Then number of lead shots dropped into the vessel are equal to 100. See here, pi cancels, 3 2s are 6, and we get 50. N pi/6 is equal to 50 pi/3. Then n comes out to be 50 pi/3 into 6 by pi. Pi cancels with pi. 3 2s are 6 and 50 into 200. N is equal to 100. Now this is the solution for question number 5. Question number 5.